something in the title tag here. But that's it. All I did is I copied the page, I named it, and that is it. So I'm going to save my changes, and I'm going to get to the background in a second. But look at this. If I want to choose a background, I've got a whole library of pictures to choose from. I mean, I love that, right? That's cool. So, okay, so here's the page I copied, but obviously this has nothing to do with Manatech, nothing to do with my company, right? So you're thinking, okay, what do I do? How do I make my changes? Well, the first thing I want to do is you can either use text on top of your video, or you can use like a picture that you've uploaded to your system. Now, all I have to do is click on this little image icon. You're not going to be able to see this library of pics because that's just the way that you know, the Google Hangout feature works. It doesn't show you every little box that opens up. But I've got a whole library of pictures, Jeff, that I've uploaded that you can't really see right now. And I'm going to find a picture that I uploaded to my system, which I'm doing right now. And I'm adding that as we speak. Okay, so now I found that image on Google in the same exact way I just showed you. And so now I've got this cool image on top of my video. Well, now I need a video for people to watch to get excited about a product that I want them to buy. This could be your company video. So Jeff, help me out here. Like what would people use as a video here? Could they go to YouTube and like do a search for their company video and see if there's like a presentation video or maybe a hangout video, right? That people.
That's what I would do. I go look for a generic video that's not promoting anyone specifically, but just a company.
Okay, that's what I did. I did a search on YouTube for Manatech channel. I found their channel, and right up here inside the address bar is a unique code that that says that's what this video is. And so that's it. I cannot tell you how simple this is. We'll teach you how to copy and paste if you don't know how, okay? But copying and pasting is very simple. And so I'm just going to swap that video on this page to this Manatech video right here. And once I do that, I'm going to save my changes. And so now I don't think that button's going to look real good, and I don't want this other video down here. So back inside my editor, I'm just deleting some stuff. And you know what, Jeff? I think it would look nice if we had one more picture down here about the product. So I uploaded another picture. I'm going to jump back to my library of pictures that I grabbed off of Google, and I'm going to add one more picture that I found online. And let me see here. I guess I can use this one here. Okay, so now I've got another picture here. Now my button doesn't really match. So another thing that we give you, Jeff, as you know, is we give you an entire library of buttons to choose from. I'm going to jump back to that library, and I'm going to go find a button that more resembles or matches my page. And I wish you could see this, but it's just a list of buttons, and I'm going to find one that says try the product. And so I'm going to add that to the page right there. Okay, now I'm going to delete this stuff down here. All right, now how are we doing? I mean, this isn't taking a whole lot of time here, right?
No.
Okay, so let me save my changes. Let's take a look at this so far. Okay, that's looking pretty good, but you know what? We definitely need to add a background pic, don't we? So watch this. I'm going to click on Edit Background. I'm going to choose something green here. Except
that is perfect.
Right there. So now that's how easy that was. I just added my background pic. So now let's look at the sales page I created. And there's one last step that's real simple, but let's take a look at this. Okay, now Jeff, how does this look?
That looks like a $200 website right there.
Okay, I mean, I don't know how long that took me, but you saw me create this from nothing in a matter of minutes. I mean, how cool is that, right? Well,
Yeah.
now, I mean, now
Right.
this try the product button, obviously we got to link that to one of the products. So this might be the order page off your network marketing MLM company. This might be the order page from your affiliate offer. I went to Amazon and I found someone selling Manatech products, right? So I'm just going to take this big, long, huge URL as an example, right? I'm going to copy that and watch this. I'm going to highlight the button, and then there's a little link icon right here that allows me to put whatever link that I want behind that button. So this is obviously going to be the order page or the action page, you know, that you want your prospects to go to when they click on the button. Now my page is done. So let's take a look at this. I've now created my sales page for my, you know, I'm not, you know, for a network marketing company here. Look at this. This is gorgeous, right? Now watch this. I'm going to click on try the product. Boom. That brings me right to the order page to buy this product.
You can put an affiliate link right there, and you could become an affiliate of Amazon.com, and you could actually, if you weren't a rep, I'm just talking about as an affiliate, you could go ahead and sell that product right there from Amazon.com as an affiliate and make a commission without even being a rep in the company. That's crazy, huh?
Exactly, and you can do that exactly like I just showed you. So that's a sales page. Now, I'm not. The only other thing I want to do really super quick is let's just create a lead capture page that when your prospects opt into that lead capture page, they're going to land on that sales page, right? That only makes sense. And I'm not going to go into the autoresponder. You can easily create an autoresponder campaign. We show you how to do that. You connect it right to your lead capture page. It only takes a few minutes, but we're not going to do that for time's sake. I'm going to copy. This time what I'm going to do, Jeff, is I'm going to copy a lead capture page. We've got a ton of lead capture pages to choose from to copy. I'm just going to pick one right here. I'm going to just copy this one here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to name this Manatech lead capture page. Because you always want to name your pages really, really well.
So you know where to find them when you need them.
Yeah. Oh, I made a mistake there. Okay, so, and the other thing is I'm not going to connect an autoresponder campaign, but if you would have created an autoresponder campaign earlier, the nice thing about your system, it's going to show you that campaign inside this drop-down menu. Okay, now it's going to ask me, Jeff, as part of the setup, where do I want my prospects to land after they opt into this lead capture page? You know what I love about my system is every time I create a page, it shows up on my lead capture page creations. In other words, all I have to do is find that page I just created 3 minutes ago. Now, remember what it was called? It was called Manatech sales page. Now, you can't see this drop-down menu, but you're going to see it when I select it. So basically, all I did was I told my system right now that after my prospects opt into this lead capture page, they're going to land on the Manatech sales page. And that's, as you remember, that's what I named it. So I'm going to save my changes, and I'm going to skip the background for right now, and I'm just going to go make my little text changes here. So I'm just going to, how about something real simple? Need more energy. New gets you pumped for action. Okay, yes, I'm going to change this. I'm going to say, yes, get more energy in 24 hours or less. Okay, so now I have a subject line that matches, you know, my theme here, what I want things to happen. So I'm going to save my changes. Let's take a look at this for a second here. Whoops. And then we're going to do something really cool. Okay, Jeff, it's okay, but it's kind of boring, right?
Right.
So let's click on Edit Background and check this out. I can put a picture behind that lead capture page. I showed you the library of background pics we already have. But you know what else I can do that's really super cool? I can take any video from YouTube and I can put that as a background for my lead capture page. And watch how simple this is. I'm going to tell my system I want to use a YouTube video for the background. I want to use my own YouTube video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump back over to YouTube, and I found a video here that I want to use for the background pic. And if you remember, right inside the address bar, right after the equals, just grab that little code, come back, just paste it right there, submit. Jeff, I am now complete. I've just created a funnel, Jeff. I mean, this is pretty exciting, right?
Neil, you are a genius.
Look at this. Now watch this. Oh yeah, baby.
Beautiful.
There we go. Okay, so now what I've done, I showed you this. When your prospects, they submit their name and email, they're going to go inside your contact manager. And what happens after they opt in is they're going to land on your sales page. Okay, so this is a page they're going to land on after they opt in. And then it gives them a call to action to try the product, and there you go. So Jeff, I'm going to jump back and throw the camera on you. I hope that didn't take too long, but that's some powerful stuff, right?
I love demonstrating the platform, you guys, and at first glance maybe it seems like it's a lot of steps, but as Neil showed you, it's really a matter of clicking here, clicking there a few times, and then picking images, writing a headline, and just connecting the dots. It's really not complicated at all. And we have brand new people who have never done internet marketing. We have people who've never, like, really not even good at using computers, using our platform to generate leads. Some of our members are using the platform to generate, 60, 70, 80 leads a day, just posting their links across the internet, doing internet marketing. Others of them use the platform to sell other kinds of products. Some of our members, the most exciting thing for a lot of our members who are really into their multi-level marketing company is that they can go use the Power Lead system to create their lead pages, drive traffic through Facebook or Google Ads or Instagram or Twitter or Pinterest, whatever your traffic source of choice is. They drive leads to their lead capture page. They build a list of possible buyers. They're not buying anything, but they're opting in to find out, hey, what's this product about? What's this company about? Well, over time, you get to build a pretty big list doing that, and you might have several thousand people on that list. Some of them will buy your product. Most of them won't. That's just the law of averages in most companies. Some buy, most don't. But now you've built an asset. You've got a list. And as an internet marketer, maybe you want to sell them other tools, other businesses, other things that they can join, because maybe health nutrition is not their deal. So having that asset is really, really important. So after they opt in, they get to see that sales page that Neil showed you, and you can build pages just like that for your business. Then I can give a share code to Neil, who's my brand new member that joined me in Manatech, and say, hey, Neil, I've created a lead capture page, a sales page that all you got to do is just put this code on your page, and you'll have my exact same lead capture page and funnel on sales page on your platform. And then when this code gets put on your website, it'll automatically put your link to the Manatech website. So when they join, you get the credit for it. All you got to do is just put this one code on your site. And that gets people excited. So then what happens is, wow, I don't know how to build websites. I don't want to go figure out how to build a WordPress website. I don't know anything about